4K UHD ULTRA BRIGHT LASER. Cutting-edge laser technology and 4K resolution deliver cinema-like picture and contrast with 2200 lumens. Smart TV powered by Tizen. Go beyond smart TV with next-gen apps, super easy control, and a host of enhancements that elevate the projector watching experience. Ultra short throw compact design. This compact projector can turn any room into a home theater. Ultra short throw technology allows for product placement within inches of any wall to seamlessly blend into your space. 2.2 channel system. Elevate your home theater experience with a 2-channel system, the powerful subwoofer and 30W speakers to deliver a room-filling sound. Multiple voice assistants. Built-in Alexa and Bixby voice assistants let you control your projector with your voice, get information, and do so much more. UHD processor PURCOLOR. A powerful processor optimizes performance with 4K picture quality. With pure color, experience crystal clear colors that are fine-tuned to deliver a naturally crisp and vivid picture. Game Enhancer 1 Remote. The Premiere automatically adjusts settings to help games run smoothly. The sleek and slim 1 Remote automatically detects and controls all compatible connected devices and content. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent picture with great smart TV features. I was looking for an UST projector and really wanted the LG HU85LA projector, which is generally considered one of the bestest projectors out there, but was hard-pressed to spend that much and settled on this as a more cost-effective approach. If you don't care about the smart TV features and are just going to use it with an Apple TV or something, then you'd probably be better off with the Vava or an Optima. I like having only one remote though and think Android TV sucks. I was a little worried about color accuracy as it uses a color wheel instead of 3 lasers like the LG, but I honestly don't think I'd be able to tell a difference. The picture looks great. The image quality does suffer a little bit in super dark scenes, especially in the middle of the day, but then a brightly lit scene will come on and just completely blow you away, so for the increase in size I'd say it is worth it. I bought this with the Vava 100 light rejecting screen, which does a great job of making the screen usable in the daytime. That being said, the picture looked pretty dang good on my extremely dark green wall in dim light. I've played some turn-based games on my Switch on the projector and haven't noticed any lag, but that's hardly a great test. If you're into twitchy shooters, get a TV with a high refresh rate and lower lag.